Okay, how to change a beer keg. We're gonna do it real quick in under a minute. So let's say the keg has just been kicked. Have my keg, type D, American keg. Basically, I'm going to pull out, lift up, disengage it, twist it counterclockwise, boom, pull it off and it's done. Now when I'm ready to replace that, easy, same thing, look up, line up the notches on there, line up the notches in here, put it in, twist it clockwise until it's snug. Pull out, down, engage it, and now we got fresh beer. Okay, now that we changed the keg, I'm gonna put it back in. Okay, I just put in the new keg here. We just saw that. Now I'm gonna clear out the line, literally pull the tap, get all the foam out of there. Usually fill about 1 liter or so. That's the old beer, the stale beer that was in there. Maybe about a pint is fine enough, but you can see it's mostly foam there on the first pour. Just cleared out the lines. There's the 2 line clearers. Got the kegs in there. Now we're ready to turn it on. Do a nice pour here. Lots of foam. Any questions? I've owned the Kegerator for about 5 years now. Let me know in the comments. I would love to help you out. Cheers.